Hello, welcome to this English video again. Hope you guys doing good at home and God bless you. Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn a little bit about possessives and possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. And what is that mean possessive? Possessive means shows that something belongs to somebody or something, okay? Okay, so we're going to see some examples about adjectives and pronouns. Okay, and you need to work in your English book on page 175 and 186. English book, okay? In your English book on page 175 and 186. Okay, we're gonna start with possessive adjective. What does that mean? Possessive adjective shows who owns or possess something. Possess something. For example, my dog, your dog, okay? And we use my, your, his, her, its, and our, and their. Okay, let's see some more examples. Okay, I have the example right here. Subject pronouns in I have a shirt. In possessive adjectives, it means my shirt is green. You have a book. Possessive adjective, your book is new. Your book is new. He, he has a pillow. Subject pronouns. His pillow is soft. His pillow is soft. She, she has a dog. Her dog is small. Small. Her dog is small. It has a bone. Its bone is old. Its bone is old. We have a bird. We have a bird. Our bird is noisy. You have a house. Your house is big. Your house. You have a house. Your house is big. Possessive adjectives. They have a car. Their car is slow. Possessive adjective. Their car is slow. Okay, so pay attention on possessive adjectives. Your possessive adjectives, you need to bring your dictionary if you want. You can use your dictionary. You are the contraction form that you are. You are an excellent student. You are. And possessive adjectives. It's possessive adjectives. The dog play with its ball. And it's it is contraction it is very hot right now. It's very hot. Okay, so possessive pronouns, personal pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. In possessive determinator or adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. In possessive pronouns, it is mine. See how is it? I, mine, and mine. How is the right? Yours, you add s. His, hers, its, ours, theirs. Okay, let's see some examples. Possessive pronouns refer to specific things, belongs to someone. Okay, I'm gonna give you an extra example. This is my cell phone. It's mine. Possessive pronouns. I am the owner of this cell phone. Okay, so this is mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Possessive pronouns is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Owner, like I said, owner. I am the owner. See this example. This pen is this pen is my pen, not your pen. Not your pen. See? Adjective, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. Possessive pronouns. Not yours. See? Mine and not yours. Okay, mine. This is my laptop. It's mine. That belongs to me. Okay, see the example right here. The car is mine. You can use it. You can build your own sentences with this one. The car is mine. The car is yours. The car is ours. The car is his car, her car, their car. Okay, so that one it is possessive pronouns. Okay, and let's see some more example. This book These books are mine. See how many books? Four books. These books are mine. Possessive pronouns. These are my books. Possessive adjectives. This gift is yours. Yours. Possessive pronouns. It is his books. This is your gift. See the bar one? Your possessive adjective. This pair of shoes is hers. She is the owner of the shoes. So that's why I said this pair of shoes is hers. Okay? The next one. He's playing with his toy. He's playing with his. He is the owner of the toys. And that house is theirs. That house is theirs. Why is there? Because more than two people. Okay? They are the owner of the house. They are the owner of the house. That's why it is that house is theirs. This school is ours. This school is ours, including yourself. This is our school, our school. See, possessive adjective belongs in. This school is ours. So I hope, guys, I hope these sentences will help you a little bit. Like I said, you need to work and make or write some sentences in your English book on page 175 and 186. English book. Possessive pronouns. What can you say about this picture? See the man in a restaurant. So what can you say? This is his restaurant. See, possessive pronouns. He's the owner. Okay, use your imagination. Thank you very much, guys. So let's go on the next one. We're going to see, listen, pronunciation lab list of words. Okay, so you need to pay attention on this and repeat, please. That's why I said pronunciation lab. In your English book on page 176, English book, please. Sketch. We're going to start with the word sketch. It is those words, it's in your English book. Sketch. Definition. A rough of unfinished drawing or painting, often made to assist in making a more finished picture. Example. Maria sketched in paint whenever she had the time. See? The second example. I sketch a beautiful house. I sketch a beautiful house. She's drawing a beautiful house. And laundromat. Definition. An establishment with coin-operated washing machines and dryer for public use. Please pay attention and repeat. Example. George uses the laundromat twice a week. 2 times a week. Twice a week. My mom went to the laundromat last week. My mom went to the laundromat last week. Okay, next word. Physical. Definition. Relating to the body as opposite to the mind. A whole range of physical and mental challenges. Examples. See the picture according to the examples. Most of students have to take physical education in high school. If you see, we use physical education. I have to go to physical therapy 3 times a week. This man he has to go physical therapy 3 times a week. Okay, speak. See those words. It is in your English book. Definition. Say something in order to convey information, an opinion, or a feeling. Example. I speak to my friend every day. Speak to your friend every day. We speak in front of the class when we have an exposition. Yes. Okay, that is speak. Say something in order to convey information, to give information. Okay, immediately. Definition at once. Instantly. Definition instantly. Without any intervening time or a space. Example. Take a look at the picture and the sentences. She was sitting immediately behind me. See? She was sitting immediately behind me. I call immediately for an ambulance. See, when you see an accident, call immediately the ambulance. Okay? And print shop. Print shop. It's a shop. Definition: an establishment where the printing or newspaper, books, and other material takes place. Examples: we work in this print shop since 2010. See? These two men right here, they work over there since 2010. In this print shop, we sell beautiful t-shirts. So, in this sentence, I'm using print shop. Okay, print shop, it's a place. And let's see, tomorrow. Definition: on the day after today. We or the day after today. Definition: tomorrow. Example: tomorrow is going to be a special day. Maybe tomorrow is your birthday. Tomorrow is going to be a special day. Please repeat those one. That's why I call pronunciation lab. The shows opens tomorrow. Opens tomorrow. Okay. In description, see, description, definition of description: a spoken or writing representation or account of a person, object, or event, or class of people or things. Example: he contains the detailed description of the incident. This man, because he saw how it started the fire, so he has the description. Okay, people who had seen him were able to give a description. See, people who had seen him were able to give a description about him. See, hey, can I help you? He is able to give a description about this man. Okay, so what else? Okay, and you need to do also in your English book, you need to draw a mind map about the unit topic, unit 4. Remember, unit 4, page 181, 181, English book. Remember to use colors, make drawings, and write words. Express everything you want about the unit 4. The topic is today's news. I put it 2 examples for you, so you can use those mind map and then draw it in your English book. For example, that's what I'm saying. You need to make drawings and write words. Make drawings and write words. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. This is going to be your homework. So please, I hope this video will help you a little bit to do those, because you're gonna need it. You need to do those activities in your English book, like I said. And then thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.